Well, guess what? We done caught a good flat out here, y'all. So we're gonna have to get it worked out. Unfortunately, that's not what I was hoping for today, because I got work to do. That really sucks. It really does. It really does. So we catch a lot of flats in this business, unfortunately. Oh man. And this Dodge made this hard to get to. Now, this right here is what Dodge do for you. See this? It don't fit. Look at that crap. This is what they give you to take the flat off, but it don't reach in there to get your dually tires out. Ain't that some bullshit? Well, excuse my French. Googly moogly. So, guess I'll throw this extension on there and see if that helped me out a little bit. Just a little bit. I need to get me a Makita or something, or impact wrench, so this will go a little faster. I don't even know if y'all can see this. I hope I can. Okay, oh well. I'll speed the video up. Caught this flat in the landfill. I got a big ass rock, and unfortunately for some dumb reason it was in the sidewall. So guess what? When it's in the sidewall, you can't repair it. You gotta get a whole new tire. The tires are like $230 a piece, so it's not cheap. But if you're thinking about getting in this business, you're gonna spend a lot of money on flats. So I hope you get ready for being on the side of the road and have your safety stuff. I'm not on the side of the road. I'm in a vacant parking lot. This is where the benefit of having a dually, folks, makes a big difference. I can ride to a safer place and get this fixed. If I didn't have a dually, I would have had to pull over right then and there, which would have been actually in the dang landfill. Now, could you imagine laying down in the landfill? That would suck. I don't care who you are. That would suck. So now to this part here, which is sucks too. Getting this, fishing this in here. You got a little thing in there to hook this to, and then you got to turn it. It's not the most convenient thing in the world, and I think I used the wrong side. So oh well. So I got to grab a different one. And they're all right here, so I need the middle one. Wasting my day. Gorgeous day on flats. Billy Ray, this video is really for you, so you can see how to change this good tire on this dually, because you're gonna catch some flats too, player. So you turn that thingamajig and it drops your tire down, as you can see it right there. See it coming down? I guess y'all can see it. We'll see. This year my videography is going to another level, just to let y'all know. See the little tire coming down? Now let's hope it got some air in it. It did. I just serviced. It's a brand new tire from a flat that I got before, so it should be GTG. That means good to go. So I usually just lay it all the way down to the ground. Well, actually I don't have to, because I don't have a tire to put back up there at this point in time. Now do it. I gotta take it to the other one, and it is no good. So when that's done, what's cool is you just laid it back up. Just lay it all the way back up, and it'll go back into place. See, it's a work truck, y'all. Y'all got those 3500s out there, and y'all ain't putting no work into them out there with them show trucks. That's what y'all, this is supposed to be dirty up under here. It's a work truck. Ram, y'all need to hit me up. I'll do some commercials for y'all. That great transfer case is a difference in an ASIN transmission or ISIN or however you say it. And then if it has a black, it has a little fins in it. That's how you know if you got an ISIN or ASIN or whatever it is. That's the difference in that 31,000 pounds of towing that everybody's talking about, that things that they have. That's where they get that number from. I mean, that's what the difference is. And that's an extra $2,600 or $2,800 they charge you for that. But so far, I love it, to be honest with you. I can't complain. Gas mileage is terrible, so I wouldn't get a 410. I really wouldn't, unless you need it. Get the 373. I think it's 24,000 pounds of towing, which is plenty for most people's applications anyway. So if you don't need it, don't waste your money on it. But I got it, you know, just in case, because it's all in my line of work. It's always better to have more and not need it than need it and not have it. That's my theory. So I paid a little extras for it. But so far, I can't complain. Now this thing does do this. It gets stuck on there. There you go. It's off. So that's how they work. So it really don't take too long to change these tires. Now they're supposed to be interchangeable, and I know they is, but I know a lot of folks ask that question. Are the back and the front tires interchangeable? Yes, they are. Let me check my tire pressure. Tire pressure is on the door. I'll show it to you in a minute. Ain't no sense putting a flat tire here, right? Makes no sense. Should be about 65. And look at that. We got 30. No, we got 50. So I need a pump. So it's a little short. It's all right, we'll put some air in it later. We got to get this thing rolling. Where's my rag so I clean some of this dirt off? Got plenty of rags everywhere. You don't want all this dirt between your reel. That's just craziness. I don't care about it being dirty. It'll live. See how it's indented down in there? That's how it's gonna fit on the other side too, y'all. So now, let's take out the rest. These lug nuts, they loose. So make sure you loosen your lug nuts up before you jack the truck up, or you're gonna have fun. Now I'm an aviation mechanic by trade. Worked on helicopters, 707s, 737s, P3s, F-18s. What else I done worked on? Rebuilt props, all that good fun stuff. But you know, mechanics don't like working on their own stuff. Ain't that something else? Get some double action in his thing. It ain't working so fast, so. Nothing worse than having a flat. Oh man, look at all that good dirt came out of there. That ain't cool. It's the inside tire that's got a hole in it, and I hope it didn't mess up this outside tire, because I got a nail in. I think I got a slight leak in the other side on the inside. So that'll be 3 tires. Do the math on that. It's not. Hold on, I got a call. Johnny Bobby's junk on. You're the guy that want the dumpster out off in Deep Creek, right? Yeah, I'm just letting you know I caught a flat. I'm fixing it right now, so I'm coming out that way, but it's gonna take me a little while longer. Yeah, yeah, I know. That's why I tell customers I like to be on time, but you know, I just left the landfill and I caught a flat, so I got to change it. You know, that's why I told you I'll let you know if I catch a flat, so you won't be waiting around. But I'll be there, boss man. All right, you paying with cash or credit? Okay, that's cool. Yeah, so if you just make sure you're there when I get there, so I don't have to wait around too long, and I'll let you know exactly how long it's gonna take me to get there. All right, boss man, have a good one. That's one of my customers. I think I spoke it up. I said, hey man, I'll be out there in like 30 minutes, as long as I don't catch no flat. I was at the scale, waiting myself in, and guess what happened? I hear a had a damn flat. I usually don't curse too much, but this is not convenient. Oh man. Well, I'm glad this is the first time I'd have caught a flat, and it wasn't raining though, so I ain't gonna complain too much. This is why I need a T-spanner wrench. I know I need one. I need an impact wrench so I can stop playing around. I'm gonna get one, but they're like $500. Really, that's what I'm talking about. See how long this take? I could be going a little faster, but I only got one more delivered today, so I really ain't no rush. Then I'll probably go bowling or something. I would go fishing, but the wind too high. All right, let's crank her up. I got a 3-ton jack right here, courtesy of the good man at Sears. Oh, there she goes. Oh no. She off the ground. She off the ground. That's all we want. Get off the ground. Look, watch when I take this tire off. I'll find some more friends in there that I don't like. Look at that. Oh, that's not a nail. Great. What? Lord bless me on that one. No nails in that tire. Ain't that something? Usually take a tire off and it got 400 nails in it. I took a tire off that trailer there. It didn't go flat. It had 10 nails in it. 10. I think 9 or 10. So. Alright, so this is our interchangeable world. So now what you do want to do, see this little right here? You want to take that off, because it makes it easier to put air in these dually tires, and just put it over there like so. Just because it's so deep in there, you don't have to take it off when you put air in it. And I'll put the cap back on the other one. So how my brakes looking while I'm under here? Brakes still looking good. Hell, they better be good. It's a brand new truck. See what's going on. If I had time, I would clean all this up, but oh well, who cares? So earlier I saw where the rock that got caught between there, and it created a flat. It put a hole in the sidewall. It's right here. See that right there? That right there, a rock wedged between your dually tires. That's why when you get your CDL license, they say make sure nothing is wedged between the good tires. That's why they say that. Can't be a trash man, it's scared to get dirty now. Now, I don't like, I'm tripping. can't be putting my little stuff under here like that. This jack to fall on me. Gotta be more safe, Mr. Ford, than that. That should be high enough. Now you don't want to put your looks like you see them folks do all the time. Right now I'm at a position where if I got to get from up under here, I can. So this tire get on here. Or you looking for trouble. So now the tire's on there. If it falls, it ain't gonna do nothing. So that one's on. See how that go? She's nice and dirty. So dirty. Look at her. It's all right. We trash man. That's what we do. Get dirty. Now, throw your lug nuts back on there. So you're gonna go through some tires. Hell, you're gonna change your tire before you gotta rotate them. I guarantee you that. Now those 18 wheels, them tires like $800 a piece every time they get it flat in those roll-off dumps. That's another reason I went this route. So I'll be paying $200 or $300 vice $800 per flat, and I get a warranty on them, so it get prorated on a good tread. Shit. Now, good thing I ain't on the flight deck. Dropping stuff in the cat. This is why I'm gonna get that impact wrench. But I need a compressor too. See this little knob that sticks out? If you'd have had it on there, it'd be hell on wheels trying to get air on there. Trust me. Dang, did it again. Tighten up, son. Sorry about that camera angle. So you want to do a start pattern if you ain't know. If you ain't know, that's terrible English. I used to work with this old guy from Arkansas. He used to say, Kate, no. If you ain't know, it was funny. That's why I need a T-bar. Instead of playing around. See, you don't need that stuff. It's just time is money. Like I would have been done if I had an impact or cordless impact drill. I've been gone a long time ago. Now I don't have an extra tire and I hate that. Now I'm down to no spares on my truck. I really am not a fan of that. Really not at all. It's dangerous. But that's why I got a dually, just in case. Probably just get that one when I let the truck down here in a minute. Almost done, folks. I'll make sure enough on before I drop the tire in there. It's done. All right. It ain't gonna hurt, man. What's in that box? Oh, this thing a little heavy, y'all. So I put this wedge in there so it ain't sticking up in my toolbox. That's what holds it in place. And ain't that something else? The one that needs going in full circles at the very bottom. Ain't that fancy? So now I gotta turn with my good hand. At least Lord bless me with some. That's that. Put everything back up. That's where they keep it. That's a little spot. After they give you a little funnel on there too. That's pretty decent. Oh good dies now. Now I can't never remember how half this crap go back in there, to be honest with you. Okay, so should have put that in there first. Now this is the pain in the butt, as you can see. Get in there. Like I'm working on a helicopter. Almost time to get on down the street. Throw these two good ones back in there. A little spot. Get this one in there. This, you probably can't see. GoPro don't do well with low light, so sorry. Throw that thingamajig back on there. Pop the cap back on there. I don't know if it got to go in a certain place. I don't think it do. Uh-oh. What's going on here, Houston? him off. Oh well, it's work truck. Get up here. Now this is the actual video, so let's see how long this took. Now the funnest part, of course, I don't know where that cap went. Here are all the tools for the job. Where'd my cap go? Might have stomped on it. I need a metal cap anyway. Alright, that concludes that video, y'all. Damn, look at this. It's fired. I knew I was missing one. All right, let's go, let go. Let's see what's happening. That concludes. If you need a dumpster, hit us up, 757-563-4834. Johnny Bobby's Junk On Roll Off Dumpsters. All right.